What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a Facebook Business Manager so you can start onboarding your clients and get results for them. Now, very important, before we start, I just want to quickly show you guys the layout of Facebook and the Facebook Business Manager before actually showing you how you can set it up for yourself. So first thing you need to know is that you've got a personal Facebook profile. Okay, so that's the thing that everyone starts with, your own Facebook page. So if you log into facebook.com, that is your personal Facebook profile, and you need that to set up a Facebook Business Manager. Okay, so below your Facebook business profile, you've got the Facebook Business Manager. How do you get the Facebook Business Manager? Easily, you go to business.facebook.com. Let me just quickly get it up. I think I need to, there we go, this is it. There's no way to move this tab over here. There we go. Okay, so if you go to business.facebook.com, you see the following page. This is if you have not got a business manager just yet. This is the page you see. The reason why I moved it over is because I already have a Facebook Business Manager, and if I go to business.facebook.com, I no longer see this page. I see basically a form where I either log in, or if I'm already logged in, I see my Facebook Business Manager. Okay, so you've got your Facebook personal profile. Below that, you've got your Facebook Business Manager, and then with your Facebook Business Manager, you can create a Facebook ad account. Okay, so this is the flow. This is what it looks like. Personal profile, business manager, Facebook ad account. Facebook allow only one personal profile and one business manager. Okay, so if you want to create another business manager, you either need to request access to someone else's business manager or create a new personal profile, which is extremely difficult to do because Facebook do not allow it. And if they realize that you've got more than one profile, they will take the other one down. Okay, so you've got your personal profile, your business manager, and then your Facebook ad account. Again, you're only allowed one ad account per business manager until you get billed once by Facebook. So what Facebook do is they make you spend at least 20 euros, dollars, pounds, whatever, and only then, once you get that first payment from Facebook or that first billing request from Facebook, are you allowed to create 5 more Facebook ad accounts. So then you won't have one Facebook ad account, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me just, is there a way to move these all below here to have it all neat? So one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Personal profile, business manager, and then you've got your 5 ad accounts. Okay, now if you want to run Facebook ads, you also need a Facebook business page. Okay, you can have unlimited amount of Facebook business pages. I think Facebook allows you to have 5, or I think allows you to make 5 business pages at once, and then you get a request or a notification from Facebook that says you've created you've reached your limits of Facebook pages that you can create at this time. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and this is basically called a Facebook ecosystem. Okay, so all of this is your ecosystem, and let's say, for example, you are running ads that aren't allowed by Facebook. Think of gambling, fitness advertisements are getting more and more difficult nowadays. Earn money online, crypto, Nutra, anything like that. Then you will run into trouble and into problems with your Facebook Business Manager. The first level of things getting banned or disapproved, etc., from Facebook is obviously that the Facebook ad gets disapproved. So the ad itself won't run, and then from there, the next level is that your Facebook business page gets unpublished. The next level above that is that your ad account gets banned. Next level above that is that your business manager gets basically deemed as inactive, gets banned as well. And then lastly, the worst of the worst is when you get a personal profile restriction. Okay, so to prevent that, obviously, it is best to set up multiple backups and have more people in your business manager, so that if you do lose access, that you can still access it through a different person. Okay, but with that said, that is not the point of this video. Like I said, if you do want to know more about Facebook ecosystems, let me know in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to create a video on that. What we now need to do is access the client's Facebook Business Manager as well. Okay, so the client has a personal profile as well. Client's personal profile. And then the client also has a business manager. So this is the client's ecosystem. And we basically need to request access to their ecosystem so we can start running ads for them. Okay, so once you have your personal profile, you can go to Facebook, Facebook Business Manager, create an account. Let me just quickly log in. This is a secondary account because I do have that personal profile restriction which we were talking about. So my bands have gone all the way up to here. So I've had to create a new personal profile with a new Facebook Business Manager, and I'm starting to build out the ad accounts here. So let me just quickly open it up. So this is my business manager for now, which is called Test Business Manager because I haven't done anything with it just yet. But we need this to request access to the client's business manager. Okay, so what we need to do, and what I have done wrong in the past, is I have added their ad account to my business manager. Okay, so if I click on my own business manager, I am able to access their ad account and run ads through my business manager. What a better option is, let me just quickly remove this line, is to have access to their Facebook Business Manager from your personal page. Okay, so if you log into business.facebook.com, let me just I might actually be better just to do it like this. So if you go to business.facebook.com, you can then choose between, let me just see if it's possible to show you guys here. You can then choose between your own business manager and the client's business manager. Okay, rather than have everything in your own business manager and have the risk on your side, let the clients have run all the risks and just access their business manager. So if they get a Facebook ad account banned, or if they get their business manager banned, that does not affect you, which is the mistake I made in the past. I had all the clients' ad accounts in my business manager, and then obviously when the bans went up and the disapprovals went up, my own business manager got banned, and then I got that personal profile restriction. Okay, so make sure that you get access to their business manager and not their ad accounts. Okay, so what you need to do is tell the client to go into their business manager. So business.facebook.com, log in, go into their business manager, then click left top, go to business settings, and then on the left you'll see business info, and then what they need to do is copy this ID and then give that to you, and then from there, so let's just copy this ID. Okay, and then go back into our own business manager. So let's just say this is our business manager. Then what you need to do from here is go to partners, add a partner, ask a partner to share their assets, get started, the name of the partner. So let's just do client1 client@gmail.com, paste their business ID, choose the role of your business, which is a media agency, choose the partner's role or the type of partner, and then request asset types, and then from here you can request everything you want. So pages, manage the page, ad accounts, you want to manage the ad account, you want to manage the pixel as well, and if you've got any Instagram ad accounts as well. From here you can basically manage everything you need. Okay, and that is basically how you request access to their business manager rather than just requesting access to their ad account, because like I said, then you hold the risk, and if anything gets banned, then that will have a negative impact on your own business manager. Okay guys, so I hope you got something out of this. I hope this gives you a bit more insight on how you can onboard the clients. Like I said, all they need to do is go to business settings and then business info, and then copy that that ID, and then from there you basically can request all the assets that you want, and then all they need to do from their end, if it does not automatically happen, they can go to requests, and then they can see invitations or received, and then they can basically just accept it, and then you have access to everything you need within your business manager, and then from there you can start running ads for the client. Okay, so hope you got something out of this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what you'd like to see from my channel next. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next